Ah, it's beautiful. I remember cooking my first brisket like it was 16 years ago. It was pretty terrible. From the first brisket in my backyard to 106 briskets every day, I'm also still learning. And I want to share these things with you. Oh my, this looks really nice. So I'm going to teach you exactly like I would train someone at Franklin Barbecue, but I've never really gotten to do this level of detail. That's what I'm looking for on airflow. That smoke is really, really important. That's where that flavor is coming from. Fire is really fun to watch. We're gonna learn how to build fires. We're gonna learn how to maintain fires. We're gonna cook a pork butt. We're gonna pull it. Steamy pork butts, guys with glasses, gee whiz. We're gonna cook some ribs, and I'm gonna show you guys how to cook a brisket from start to finish. Really get down to the details of how to trim, how to wrap it, and then at the end, slicing it. That's very well done. I'm proud of this whole thing. I should find some people to eat this. Sharpie. In a perfect world, this brisket would take me 12 hours. 255. About 9 o'clock, start to ramp up. 280. I work in 5-degree increments. Have a plan, be ready to make mistakes, but also document your mistakes. I really like to keep it super simple. Kosher salt and 16 mesh black pepper. Watch that movie Cocktail a few times. It's almost like a typewriter going back and forth. There's a lot of wiggle room in this stuff. Learn the basics, but you only learn how to make good barbecue by making bad barbecue. My favorite part about barbecue might actually not be eating it. It's the process and how we get there. You cook with your heart, pour your heart and soul into this thing, and then at the end, share that with people. That's really the art of barbecue in a lot of ways. I'm Aaron Franklin, and this is my masterclass.